Okay, so I'm gonna make a quick video really fast just to help people out, because I made a video and I published it on YouTube, but it honestly, there's one key important piece that I missed, and that is where a lot of people are wondering, because with these headlights, if you look right here through the top, there is this part, and then if you're just getting these, you might notice that there's just a red and black wire that's hanging out of them. So on the original Dodge Charger headlights that came with the car from the factory, you guys will have that piece that's a corner. It's in the shape of a triangle. So in that piece though, there is a, here I'll just show you. There is this guy right here, this little mount, or not mount, light mount, whatever it is, that is in that triangle corner piece. So this guy, you are gonna have to take it out of that triangle corner marker that is on the original headlight. So what you're gonna do though is, once you get that out, you'll plug that red and white wire, or red and black wire, into this guy, and then you can just, from the original one that had that amber light, you'll just plug this in to that same spot, pretty much exactly where it came from the factory. With these headlights, there's no cutting, no soldering, no trimming, nothing. There's literally like nothing you have to do except for take the front bumper off, and then that's it. So I thought I would just make that a little bit easier to explain. I'll even add this to my YouTube so anybody who watches those videos can kind of understand it. But yeah, I'm sorry I left that out. These guys, you'll see on those corner markers is literally just this little wire harness. You just got to pull it out of the original ones that come with that corner piece, plug in the red and white, or red and black wire that comes out of this headlight right here, and then just plug it in, and it comes straight off this wire that goes to the turn signal. So, and then that should be it. If you guys have any other questions, just let me know.